Welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're taking a close look at the Xiaomi V198 GPS MAX drone, a powerful folding quadcopter designed for long-range flight, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and stunning up to 8K HD aerial video. Right out of the box, the V198 GPS MAX impresses with its brushless motor system, delivering smoother flight, stronger wind resistance, and longer durability. Powered by a 7.4-volt, 3,000 mAh battery, this drone offers an impressive 20 to 30 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of time to capture cinematic shots. One of the biggest highlights is the 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, allowing real-time video streaming over distances of up to 3,000 meters under ideal conditions. Combined with the 120-degree wide-angle camera, available in 4K, 6K, or full 8K resolution, this drone is built for breathtaking aerial photography and video. Thanks to GPS positioning, flying becomes safer and smarter. Features like one-key return, low battery return, and signal loss return ensure the drone always finds its way home. The Laser Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance System helps detect and avoid obstacles automatically, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. The V198 GPS MAX also supports advanced flight modes like waypoint flight, orbit mode, follow mode, and altitude hold, allowing you to draw flight paths directly in the app and capture professional-looking footage with ease. With headless mode, one-key takeoff and landing, and 3 speed levels, controlling the drone feels intuitive and stress-free. Its foldable design makes it compact and travel-friendly, while the durable engineering plastic body keeps it lightweight yet strong. Whether you're exploring landscapes, recording travel videos, or just flying for fun, this drone delivers a premium experience. Inside the box, you get everything you need: the V198 GPS MAX drone, remote controller, storage bag, spare propellers, charging cable, tools, and user manuals, ready to fly right away. If you're looking for a long-range GPS drone with obstacle avoidance and ultra-high-definition camera performance, the Xiaomi V198 GPS MAX is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews right here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.